Hey guys, Corey here, the art archaeologist. So I wanted to do this little video real quick because I laid out all my leaves to spatter them, and they came out so beautiful on the papers here. Here's the table, and then I've got a few more papers on this table too. Now these here are Tim Holtz die cuts, and I will grab the package out and show you exactly what it looks like. But the point of today is I've got everything laid out to spatter in gold paint, and I wanted to show you these papers because I think they came out really beautiful. Too beautiful not to share. So here we are. This is New Year's Eve day, so I'm going to get this filmed real quick and uploaded, and this will be my last video of 2020. So here's that row. I went ahead and stopped the camera because I had to get in position for the next row. And forgive the camera shake, I'm walking with it, doing my best. I've had quite a bit of coffee this morning, so my hands are a slight bit shaky. You don't even notice anything like that until you go to try to hold a camera steady or do some kind of steady work. Aren't these the funnest pages? Oh my goodness. So I've decided for these pages, one more on this table and then I'm going to move to the other, that I'm going to go ahead and make a paper kit out of these. Why not, right? These would make the funnest journal pages. And then I think after I spatter them, I'll photograph them again and maybe add that to the bundle. And then, of course, we're going to be using all these leaves in the art card project that I've started. I put one video out of vintage leaf art cards, and it's a full tutorial on how to do it. And I've got so many leaves that I think I'm going to do an art card excavation. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to turn this off and get over to the other table. Okay, so here's the last 5 pages, and now these pages are coffee stained. Of course, the other ones were pure white, and these are coffee stained, so they're just going to go into the bundle exactly as they look. Aren't these the funnest? This is why I love to press leaves, because in the winter time you end up with an endless supply, a seemingly endless supply of natural materials to do artwork with. So here's the very last page, and I will be right back to show you that Tim Holtz die. Okay, here's this Sizzix die set. There's 5 skeleton leaf dies in this kit, and it's a Thinlits, and it's a Tim Holtz. These I love. They're a bit finicky when you cut them. You really do need the tool to roll over them, the brush, the rolling brush, to get all the little tiny bits of paper out. So that's handy to have too. So there's that. And I'm going to go ahead and gold spatter all those leaves and show you. I just can't resist. I've got to show you. I'll be back. So what I've done here is I've mixed this, look at that, it looks like liquid gold. I've mixed this up with quite a bit of water, probably 2 parts water, no, 3 parts water, 3 to 4 parts water to 1 part paint. You really want your paint thinned out like this just to get good spatter, as I always say. And I've mixed this Basics Gold and this Americana Gloss Enamels Glorious Gold. Sorry for the reflection there. And I've done about 2 parts of the Glorious Gold to 8 parts of this. The Glorious Gold is a really pale, understated gold color, and it's beautiful, but I wanted something with a little bit more richness. So I'm going to go ahead and spatter all these pages, and then I'll come right back and show you. Okay, so here these are all spattered with gold. And I really love my leaves and botanicals without, but I also love to shake it up too, so I wanted to do some gold spatter. These really look nice with it. That is a boiled eco dye leaf left over. Here's another one. And I find that those are really lovely in their grunginess. I'm definitely going to be hanging on to some of those next season when I eco dye. Here's another one. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, one more thing real quick. Now, I want to get this video out today, but these papers are not going to be ready for a few days. I'm going to get right on it, but I must wait for them to dry to photograph them. They just look better, and then I will get these up in the description box of this video. So please make a note to yourself to check back. Okay, so thanks for stopping by today, and if you haven't subscribed yet, of course I invite you to, and I will see you next year. Happy New Year!